I'm Dr. M. Joe Kaushik, andrologist practicing at Caroline John Hospital, Nagarkoil. கன்னடால பேசுவோமா? உங்களுக்கு கன்னடா நல்லா? Okay. So today we'll see the result of we had seen the result of the first day of Indian penile implant surgery. We had achieved a very good length of around 20 centimeter. So we are really happy with the results, and today we had removed all the dressing and we had made the waterproof dressing for him, and we had just applied the crate bandage to prevent any edema. So that bandage will be changed by the patient, and we had shown him how to wear the underwear after the implant. So exactly everything has come as we wished, and it has come very well. So we will ask the experience story of him. So how was his journey in this penile implant surgery with us?
Yeah. See, I think first of all, to start with, see, this Nagarkoil itself is new to me. More than that, the hospital itself was very new to me. But then whatever the videos was already available on the YouTube, that helped me to take a decision to even to visit this place. And once I'd come here, the first time I was visiting Nagarkoil every year. But then right from the time I could visit here, or much before I could visit here, I don't know who was there on the WhatsApp, but then they took care of guiding me perfectly to the appropriately the venue. And also when I met the doctor, I think the most important that I kept telling the doctor also, like this, there's a level of comfortness which is there when I spoke to doctor to even to do that. I think probably the way they say, like, you know, the comfortness gives you the probably the to give guidance to go ahead to do it. Otherwise you're not comfortable to do that, then you'll not be able to do that at all. So I think that's when I think whatever the intricacies was involved in that, he explained to me, and then I was able to take a decision quickly, and that now I'm happy with what has been done now. Yep. Thank you.
Sure, thank you. So everything has been done very fast. So he met us or day before yesterday. He met us day before yesterday. He just came from Bangalore. We evaluated him and we suggested him the implant will be the best option for him. So he thought for around 5 to 10 minutes. Then he told, okay, tomorrow only we'll do the surgery. So we planned everything. So everything went well. And today evening he's going back to his home. And we want him to be always happy with the results. That's the only thing we expect. Thank you. So the post-operative care, what we want him to follow is the first initial 10 days of the surgery, the wound should be sterile. So for the first 5 days, we ask him to not to take any bath, and we had applied a waterproof dressing for him. So if the initial first days, if the wound is sterile and after that he takes bath, then he has to take bath in the morning and the evening, and he has to apply the antibiotic ointment in the morning and evening times. So this has to be followed for another 5 days, and around the 10th or 12th day the sutures can be removed, and we will also provide him oral antibiotics and painkillers for the next 15 days, and that will be the last medication regarding this erectile dysfunction he is going to take. And after that there won't be any requirement of any medication regarding this problem in his life. Thank you.